Hey everybody, welcome to ArmA 3 Beta Map Stratus. This is a pretty big map here. I'm gonna go ahead and load the map up that I was doing earlier. Just posted a few photos on Facebook, but here I finally got everything to work out, and let's go ahead and preview it. Here we are, bright and early in the morning. Got a few glitches left to fix up. You see his textures and everything still in the beta mode. But other than that, blue skies, a few clouds, and air command. Few waypoints. Got a patrol we're about to run. Pretty good third person mode. And that concludes